sneaky with the ASMR. It's G Herbo. That's my first ASMR, so we're gonna call it GSMR because it's the G Herbo version. Let me see what sound is on. I thought these bitches gonna be squeaky, so I probably need some lotion on my hands or some shit. Oh, all right, there we go. These hard right here. These are 11.5, so whoever gonna win these got some big ass feet. I kinda wish I was the one winning all this shit, man, so somebody gonna get lucky. All right, come on, we gonna go to the next one. These the Nike Air Max 1 Premium Retro. Cool. I might gotta tell them cut the camera and just put these motherfuckers in the back like that. I'll be weird sometimes, no bullshit. I might grab a shoe and smell it. You gotta smell it, make sure it's a little funky feet, motherfucker. I'm gonna name these the Robert Earls. I'm gonna name these Robert Earl. These the type of shoes you buy your Uncle Robert Earl when he just get home from out the joint or he's in the halfway house or something. You just go take Uncle to get fly. I'm gonna name these the Robert Earl MX 1s for Unc. For these right here. Let me check the details out real quick. I actually don't know what the f this is, but it look cool, so just keep it in the shoe. I don't know what the f it is. These the MX1 Premium QS. Let me see. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm trying to see how it sound if you like rub against the rims. What the f do that sound like? What does that sound right here? These the Unc swag too, you know, this one, your fly Unc. You know, I got a fly ass Unc. My uncle, his name Uncle Gary. I'm gonna name these Uncle Garys after my Unc. These the guacamole Uncle Garys. This sound right here just reminded me, like, you know how you'll be like in school or something, like in the classroom, you trying to sneak and eat and in the classroom quiet, you trying to open your chips and shit. Yeah, these fire. I know what these is. These are Questlove Supreme ones, you feel me? I know shout Questlove. You can't do shit sneaky with the ASMR, man. This only a virtue to go, you feel? Slam green like my nose running. Yeah, these. Why I see a slatty slats, you know what I'm saying? Going only a virtue to go. Dig in when you wear these. You gotta like. Yo, what the f, man? Who the f phone it is, man? I'ma slap the shit out you. Who the f got their phone on loud while I'm doing the GSMR? I'm whispering this shit. I'ma slap the shit out you. Let's keep it going. Rule number 1. Your socks gotta match the drip gang or you not fly. If you going black pants, I don't give a f what color shoes you in. Black pants, you gotta go black socks gang. Do not let me it's like, you know, a nigga gonna try to find a way to make a beat out of anything. I would freestyle, but y'all gotta pay me for that. We ain't all that right now. Damn. I'm big. Hard to get out the box. Sometimes you gotta see how heavy these motherfuckers is. Who that? Yo, what's up? It's G Herbo. Make sure y'all treat yourself and enter into the Air Madness drawing only on the network app. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself.